Speech disorders. Articulation disorders are among the most common speech disorders among preschool and school-aged children. They include substitutions, where the child substitutes an easier sound for the target sound, omissions, where the difficult sound is simply dropped, additions, where the student places an unneeded vowel between two consonants, and distortions, such as a lisp. Apraxia of speech is a motor speech disorder that affects the way in which a student plans to produce speech. It can be the result of a trauma or develop early in life absent trauma or other disorders. Students with apraxia, the preferred term for children with this condition is childhood apraxia of speech, have difficulty with voluntary, purposeful movements of speech even without paralysis or muscular weakness. This is worsened by social pressure. Voice disorders. The human voice consists of a combination of pitch, high or low, duration, the length of sounds, intensity, loudness, resonance, especially nasal, and vocal quality. Problems with voice production are often resolved by therapy, natural healing processes, or surgery. Fluency disorders. Fluent speech is smooth, effortless, flowing speech. All children and adults have fluency problems on occasion. For example, In some children, it is more problematic, such as with stuttering, and is addressed through speech therapy. Language impairments. Students may have language disorders that are receptive, expressive, or both. The impairment may be associated with another disability, or it may be a specific language impairment unrelated to any physical or intellectual disability. The affected areas of speech may be phonology, the inability to discriminate between speech sounds, morphology, problems using the structure of words to convey meaning, syntax, problems with word order, semantics, problems, for example, expressing time, cause, and effect, pragmatics, problems, for example, with body language or eye contact. Determining the causes. There are two types of speech and language disorders, each classified according to its cause. Organic disorders, those caused by an identifiable problem in the neuromuscular mechanism of the person, and functional disorders, those with no identifiable organic or neurological cause. Organic disorders can, for example, be the result of genetic factors, trauma, illness or disease, or even toxic exposure. A communication disorder which occurs prior to birth is a congenital disorder. Those occurring after birth are acquired disorders. Okay, time for another quiz.